Lightspeed Digital Insights content categorization team is consistently updating the library with new applications. Every application added gets its own unique profile with information on content, data privacy, and usage. In this video, we will review that profile and its functionality. To access an application profile from App Activity or the Lightspeed app library, click on the application name, logo, or the View Usage button. In the tile in the top left-hand corner, you will see the application name and logo, a description of the application, and a button to add your own district description to store any information about the application your district needs. Additionally, you will find the application website, terms of service, and public privacy policy. The Application Actions button gives you the ability to enter a license for the application and give the application one of 3 approval statuses: approved, in review, or not approved. More on these statuses in another video. Additionally, you can view the privacy policy history comparing the current version to previous versions with all changes highlighted. The second tile is focused on student data privacy and includes information from our partners. The student data privacy consours SHUM and OneEdTech. The SDPC integration shows the number of agreements with this application in your state. Digital Insight updates the SDPC data weekly and even allows you to find and display your agreements on this page. Digital Insight also displays rubric scores from OneEdTech's Trusted Apps Vetting System. This covers compliance with FERPA, COPPA, and GDPR, as well as scores relating to data collection, security, third-party sharing, and advertising. At the top of the profile page, you will see global statistics. These will show you how the application is being utilized across all districts that have Lightspeed Digital Insight. These stats can be helpful when viewing an unknown application. You can see how prevalent its usage is in other districts, as well as how many have approved and licensed. Next is the Tags and Category section. The content categorization team is also responsible for adding tags and categorizing the application appropriately. Tags are app descriptions such as LMS or adaptive learning. Categories show what subject matter the applications cover and are based on categories from the National Center for Educational Statistics. There are additional tags that can be added for funding and programmatic functions. This will be covered in the license entry video. You will also have the ability to add your own district tag to the applications as well. All of the tags and categories can be utilized as a filter when viewing trending applications. The last tile in the application profile is the usage for the application. There are 3 sections on how this data can be displayed. The default view is showing the usage by campus using all 4 digital insight metrics. Second is the usage by grade level. Clicking on a campus or grade level will take you to users reporting to see the specific users of the application at that campus or grade level. And finally, the usage trends line chart to see when the application was utilized. Initially, the line chart focuses on the engagements metric. However, you can add in additional metrics to the graph by clicking on Edit Metrics. The application profile is the best place to understand the content and usage of an application in your district. You're now ready to begin analyzing your district's data. Thank you for joining us.